All right. So who are you seeing right now?
Huh?
Who are you seeing right now?
I'm seeing you.
Who are you dating right now?
What?
Who are you dating right now?
Oh, that.
You never like expose that.
Me. I love my private life to be private. Because really, when it goes down there with people, you can never handle.
Oh, yeah.
But Mbosso is so sweet.
Oh! No. No, with Mbosso, it's business, it's music, and I don't see myself in that line with Mbosso.
Yeah.
He's my friend, and we've known each other for some time now, just a few months as we, in the process of doing our song, and I don't think it's gonna be like that.
Yeah.
But you are
He's
in a
friend.
relationship. You are in a relationship.
Me, I'm actually seeing him,
Oh, you seeing me?
He's married.
but I'm seeing him.
He's married.
You don't want a second wife?
I'll think about it.
Hey.
So you're in a relationship though?
Oh, me?
Yeah.
No, at the moment I'm focusing on music.
Oh. So
Yeah.
Single?
you're not dating nobody.
I'm seeing people, but I'm not
You
dating
seeing
anyone.
me?
I'm seeing people. I'm seeing you. I'm
Seeing
seeing
Mbosso.
her.
Oh yeah.
Everyone.
So
But
if
then I prefer just keeping my private life
Oh, yeah.
very private.
Oh, yeah.
I want people
Okay.
to know me for my music.
oh yeah, I like that.
That's nice.
So if you were to date a celebrity, or
Yeah.
let's say, a celebrity, who would he be?
In Tanzania.
In Tanzania?
Yeah.
Well, I don't know, but then let me look around. I think I need time to really look around. Maybe when I come back, I'll have an answer for that.
In Africa.
And that's what I'm saying. When I come back, I'll have an answer. I've not thought about it, so I think I need time, like
yeah.
a year or two,
Also.
to look around.
Oh yeah. All right. As I said, you've been doing such an amazing work. Keep doing what you do.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah,
so
keep doing
much.
what you do.
Thank you.
So anything you would like to share to the fans real quick?
First and foremost is I want to thank Tanzania for the love. Thank you so much. And Mungu abarikie all of you.
Mungu awabariki.
Yes,
Kali
all
sana.
of you.
I like
Thank
that.
you for the love. Thank you so much. And of course, take another big thanks to, of course, the big man Simba Diamond for the opportunity of being part of, the WCB music and everything, the interviews, the treatment I've had in Tanzania. It's been super cool. And of course, Mbosso, for doing his best for our song, because it's something amazing for me as Spice Diana from Uganda. Being welcomed in Tanzania is something really amazing. So keep the same support for all those that love me, those that don't know Spice Diana yet. Look out for me on my social media handles, on Instagram and there, on Facebook, on Twitter, on my YouTube. I'm welcoming all of you. I can't wait to have you guys.
Oh yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
The Switch.